Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. I'm finally back after a long time, and in this video, I'll show you how easy it is to create different color variations once your asset is already textured. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, we'll start with a simple texturing process. Just select the part you want to texture, unwrap it from view, and align the UVs along your preferred gradient color. I've already made a detailed video on texturing, so you can check that out for reference. Now, once you've textured your asset, just select the UV map you want to change and apply your desired color. You can repeat this for as many parts as you like. I'm just going to do it for the main body of the rat. And that's it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments what you'd like me to model or texture next.